Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt cream. First, ensure you have fresh whole milk, a good quality starter culture, and a clean, sanitized jar. Begin by gently heating your milk to 180 degrees F, which helps denature proteins for a thicker result. After heating, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees F. This temperature is crucial for the live cultures to thrive. Once cooled, stir in about 2 tablespoons of your starter yogurt. After adding your starter, gently stir it into the milk until fully combined. Avoid overmixing, as this can disrupt the milk's structure. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared glass jar. Now, it's time for incubation. Maintain a consistent temperature between 100 and 115 degrees F for 6 to 12 hours. A yogurt maker, oven with a pilot light, or even a warm spot can work well for this step. Once your yogurt has set, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This chilling period helps to firm up the yogurt and halt the fermentation process. To achieve that creamy, thick texture, you'll need to strain it. Line a colander with several layers of cheesecloth and place it over a bowl. Spoon the chilled yogurt into the cheesecloth and let it strain in the refrigerator for 2 to 8 hours, depending on your desired thickness. After straining, your homemade yogurt cream is ready. Transfer the thick, luscious cream into an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, perfect for enjoying throughout the week. Use it in desserts, as a topping, or simply on its own. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.